the students of class 6. Today I am present in front of you with another portion of your civics book. It is not a new subunit but also a part of your previous subunit, the diversity in India. So today we'll discuss about the rest of the part of that subunit. Previous class we have learned that how different areas in India are different by historically and geographically, and how did people migrated from one place to another, and they also migrate with their culture and customs, and in this way one place in our country and as well as the cities and villages, they enriched with another culture from another group of people. So today we learn with some example that how historical and geographical factors influence the diversity of a region. So we can do this by reading about life of two different parts of our country. Yes, one is in the north and northernmost area, and another is southernmost, and the name of the two area is Kerala and Ladakh. So let's start. Open your book of that portion of chapter 1 and follow the book carefully. I am reading from the book. So let's start. That Ladakh is a desert in the mountains in the eastern part of the Jammu and Kashmir. And you know that Jammu and Kashmir, previously it is a state in northern India, but today it was divided few months ago and into two union territories, and the left part is Jammu and Kashmir and the right part is Ladakh. So these are two union territories. So in Ladakh, very little agriculture is possible here since the region does not receive any rain and is covered in snow for a large part of the year. So most of the time in the winter season it is covered with a thick layer of snow. So agriculture is not possible in most of the time of the year. There are very few trees that can grow in the region. For drinking water, the people depend on the melting snow during the summer months. In the time of summer, the people, they have to depend on melting snow because water is not so available. Next paragraph, the people here keep sheep, and the sheep in the region are special because they produced Pashmina wool. It is a very important product from the Ladakh, that is Pashmina wool. It is a wool of it was collected from a special type of sheep that was reared in the terrains of those and the mountains of Ladakh. This wool is prized and Pashmina shawls cost a lot of money. So, and these Pashmina shawls, these are very good quality, and in all over the world it has very good demand. So that's why it costs a lot of money. So the people in Ladakh carefully collect the wool of the sheep and sell this to traders from Kashmir. So, and the traders of Kashmir purchased those wool and they wove the beautiful designs, yes, the Pashmina shawls, and these Pashmina shawls are cheaply woven in Kashmir. The people eat here. Now, what are the food of the people of Ladakh? The people eat meat and milk products like cheese and butter. So cheese and butter, the main food for the people of Ladakh. As well as each family owns some goats, cows and zoos. Zoos means yak cow. Yak cow, you have already know, is a yak. It is a very common animal in those hilly regions. Being a desert did not mean that Ladakh did not attract its share of traders. So, though it is a part of cold desert, it is a cold desert, but it also attracted. It was considered a good trade route as it had many passes through which caravans traveled to what is today called Tibet. What is the meaning of caravans? Caravans is a long a queue of the some carts, and the camel carts there, the camels, and in the horseback, the people and traders traveled from the ancient period. This is a very famous road. So through this road, the people traveled up to Tibet. Today it is a part of China. So these caravans carried textiles and spices, raw silk and carpets from the ancient period. We will read in history in future chapters when we will see that how traders purchased those things from India and the other part of the Asia and brought these things to China. And so these are the main commodity of the traders. These are the textiles, spices, raw silk and carpets. Next page, that what is the religion of Ladakh? That Buddhism reached Tibet via Ladakh. Buddhism is the main religion in Ladakh, and Ladakh is also called Little Tibet because the similarity in the climate and the environment and surroundings. Islam was introduced in the region more than 400 years ago, and there is a significant Muslim population here. Islam also introduced 400 years ago in this region, and a considerable number of Muslim population is there. So Ladakh has a very rich oral tradition of songs and poems, and Ladakh, lot of people also sing some beautiful songs and recite some poems. Local versions of the Tibetan national epic, the Kesar Saga, remember the name carefully, the name is Kesar Saga, are performed and sung by both Muslims and Buddhists. So that's all from the story of Ladakh. I hope you have understood this subunit and with a beautiful account. See you in the next class. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.